Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this show, I'm going to compare the charging speed test between the POCO X2 versus Realme X2 device. So as you can see friends, in this video I'll be comparing the both charging speed test. So whereas the POCO X2 has the 4500 mAh of capacity and 27 watts charger, and whereas the Realme X2 has the 4000 mAh of battery and 30 watts charger. And if you're first time watching this video friends, subscribe to my channel and also do check the links in description also for the playlist of both the phones, Realme X2 and the POCO X2 device. And let me show you the charging specifications a very bit closer to the camera so that you can understand clearly what is the specifications exactly of the charger. So as you can see friends, this is of the POCO X2 charger. Let me show you the of the Realme X2 charger, as you can see here. So now I'll be doing the charging speed test side by side, and I'll be recording for every 30 minutes and 1 hour and fully charge. And let me connect the charger and start the stopwatch at same time. So as you can see friends, right now both the phones are charging, and I'll begin the stopwatch as well. So again I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes, and let's check which phone will charge to the maximum. You can see friends, right now it's 30 minutes exactly, and you can see the difference 65% and 56% on the POCO X2. So there is a difference of 9% between the POCO X2 and the Realme X2 device. So as you can see friends, again let's wait for again 30 minutes, and we'll get to know in the first 1 hour which phone will be charging the highest. And it's been exactly 1 hour continuous charging both the phones, and you can see friends, the POCO X2 has charged to the 99% as you can see friends. So whereas the Realme X2 has charged to the 95% friends. So this quite we have reached to the 99% in just 1 hour. That is very good for the mobile. And still I'm using the same charger which came along with the box. I did not use any different charger. And whereas the Realme X2 has 95%, as you can see friends right now, 95. So as you can see friends, I'm using the default charger for both the phones, but still the POCO X2 charges pretty fast, I can say, in 1 hour, 99% and 95% in the Realme X2. So even though the POCO X2 has a 4500 mAh of battery, but still it managed to charge a little bit of faster than the normal Realme X2 device. In this case you can see your friends clearly, still it's 95% right now. So again I'll be back once both the mobiles get completely charged. Dear friends, it took just 1 hour and 2 minutes for me to completely charge the POCO X2 device. So whereas the Realme X2 took about 1 hour and 11 minutes, as you can see your friends clearly. So I searched the internet how much time it actually takes for the POCO X2 to charge, and the results are very close to me as well. The POCO X2 took about like 1 hour and 5 minutes for other people, and even for me it took close to that one friends, 1 hour and 2 minutes. And as you can see, in 1 hour it charged to 98%, even for me charged to the 99%. So the overall friends, if you compare 27 watts versus 30 watts, so definitely friends, I think the 27 watts in the POCO X2 is slightly better, even though the battery has the 4500 mAh of capacity in the POCO X2, but still it managed to charge very faster than the Realme X2 device friends. And definitely I'll be doing the draining test as well in the other video, so which includes 1 hour of 4K video playback MX player, and 1 hour of YouTube video, and 1 hour of PUBG, and 1 hour of Free Fire game. So definitely friends, subscribe to my channel, and that's it for this video friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.